Hello dear viewers and learners, those who are interested to practice narration, the changing method of direct speech into indirect speech and indirect speech into direct speech, my video will be helpful to them, needs no telling. So dear viewers, you all are requested and advised to subscribe my channel, K Mondol YouTube channel. You can visit my another video which I have published relating to English grammar, narration, voice sense and any other subjects and any other topics of English grammar. So you can visit my YouTube channel. Today I am going to practice some questions and answers. Let us discuss the sentences. Direct speech. Number 1. The woman said to the boys, "How will you be listening to me? What I shall tell you?" The woman said to the boys, "How will you be listening to me? What I shall tell you?" It is interrogative sentence. We must know if the sentence is interrogative, said to will be changed into asked, inquired of, and inverted comma will be omitted. There will be WH, who, which, how, where, when, why, etc. If there is no WH, there will be if or whether, and if there is WH, who, which, whom, who, where, how, it will be remain there. So how will not be changed. How, here how is interrogative pronoun, it will be relative pronoun. So what will be? The woman asked the boys how they, within bracket boys, they, why they, you second person will be changed according to the object of reporting verb, the boys. The boys had third person plural number, so there will be they, nominative case, pronoun within bracket boys, they indicates the boys. Will would be would be listening to her, me first person will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb, the woman. So there will be her within bracket woman, what she would tell them. You object here, you will be changed according to the object of reporting verb, the boys, you object, so the boys object them within bracket boys. Okay. Next number 2. Direct speech. The commander said to the soldiers, "Keep your national flag blowing forever." The commander said to the soldiers, "Keep your national flag blowing forever." So, what will be? It is imperative sentence. As it is imperative sentence, reporting verb said will be changed into ordered, commanded, requested according to the meaning. As there is the commander said to the soldiers, so there will be commanded or ordered, not a request. Okay. So said to will be changed into ordered or commanded. The soldiers, inverted comma will be omitted. There will be to as conjunction, infinitive to as conjunction here. To keep their national flag blowing forever. There, why there? Because there is your national flag, your second person. Second person will be changed according to the according to the object of reporting verb, the soldiers. Soldiers, third person, plural number. So there will be there. Your possessive case, soldiers, third person possessive case, there, TACIR. Okay. So the commander ordered or commanded the soldiers to keep their national flag blowing forever. Next number 3, direct speech. The commander said to the soldiers, fire now. The commander ordered or commanded the soldiers to fire then. Now will be then. We must know nearest word will be the farthest word. Now, then, here, there, this, that, these, those, tomorrow, the next day, today, that day, yesterday, the previous day, or the day before yesterday, last night, the previous night, etc. So what will be? The commander said to the soldiers, fire now. It is command or ordered. So the commander ordered or commanded the soldiers to fire then. Next number 4, direct speech. The man said to her, are you doing the work tomorrow? Are you doing the work tomorrow? The man said to her. It is question mark, note of interrogation. It is interrogative sentence. So said to will be changed into asked, and there will be if as conjunction, if or whether, because if or whether, you second person will be changed according to object of reporting verb her. So there will be she. As it is present continuous tense, it will be correspondent past tense, past continuous tense. So she will be, she was going doing, not going. She was doing the work the next day. Again, the man said to her, are you doing the work tomorrow? The man asked her if or whether she was doing the work the next day. Tomorrow will be next day. We know, we have already discussed today, that day, tomorrow, the next day, yesterday, the previous day. So farthest, nearest word will be farthest word. Okay. The man said to her, are you doing the work tomorrow? The man asked her if or whether she was doing the work the next day. Next number 4, direct speech. The man said to her, are you doing the work tomorrow? I have already done it. Next 5, direct speech. The boy said to me, let me concentrate to my lesson. We must know if there is let, and let refers to request. If let refers to request, there will be might be allowed to. And if let refers to proposal, it will be should. Let will be should. When it is proposal, let will be might be allowed to. When it is request. Okay. The boy said to me, let me concentrate to my lesson. It is request. So let will be changed into might be allowed to. So what will be? The boy told me that he might be allowed to concentrate to his lesson. His possessive case, my possessive case. So my first person will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb, the boy. So boy's possessive case, his, within bracket, boy indicate boy or boy's possessive case, lesson, boy's lesson or his lesson. Okay. The boy told me that he might be allowed to concentrate to his lesson, that is boy's lesson. Okay. His indicates the boy. So what will be? The boy said to me, let me concentrate to my lesson. The boy told me that he might be allowed to concentrate to his lesson. Okay. So dear viewers, you all are requested to subscribe my channel and share my video so that the other learners and viewers can easily watch my video and hear my lecture, so that they may be benefited. During this pandemic period, most of the students are staying at home and they are suffering from mental depression. So my video will be helpful to them. It is my expectation. So you are requested to share my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that my next video you can easily watch and you can hear my lecture easily. I wish you every success in life. May God bless you. No more today. Thank you all.